Hi, this is Anita from A Bus on a Dusty Road. Today we're going to show you a little bit about how they harvest rice in Vietnam. As you can see, this woman here, she's basically, the rice has gone off of its stalk, and they're spreading it out so it will dry. And they do this all over Vietnam. This is actually on a major freeway that we stopped. You can see here somebody's kind of raking it. So they basically do it anywhere they can find a spot. They will start to put their rice out to be able to dry. You can see here, you can see some of the rice fields, and you can see there's somebody out there working the rice fields. They're cutting the rice off of its stalk so that they can be able to get the little kernel or the seed of rice off of it. If you'd like to know more about rice, you can check out our blog, which we have about rice. I'll put a link in the description below. One thing a lot of people don't realize is really how labor intensive rice is. Rice is extremely labor intensive from the planting to the harvesting. The rice fields really are very beautiful here. And next I'm gonna show you a video of a machine that they have where they actually take the rice off of the stalk, and it seems like one village shares a machine. This is Anita from A Bus on a Dusty Road. Thank you so much for listening. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Please consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our blog, A Bus on a Dusty Road. Thank you so much for listening.